So guys, today we are going to talk about the exchange rate, and we go directly to the question. And the question is, a Kenyan company received US dollars 100,000. The money was converted into Kenya shillings in a bank which buys and sells foreign currency as follows. So buying and selling, we have US dollars and sterling pound. The column is here for buying and selling is here. So we are told that calculate the amount of money in Kenya shillings the company received. That is part A of the question. Then part B of the question is the company exchanged the Kenya shillings calculated in A above into sterling pounds to buy a car from Britain. Full stop. Calculate the cost of the car to the nearest sterling pound. Now, let us try and solve this question. So, in this question, you need to have an idea of how you can calculate Kenya shillings and foreign currency. For example, if you want to change foreign currency into Kenya shillings, you should know that you are using the buying column. To exchange foreign currency into Kenyan currency, you use the buying column. While when you are changing or converting foreign currency or you are converting Kenya shillings into foreign currency, you use the selling column. Now let us start working out part A. Calculate the amount of money in Kenya shillings the company received. So we need to convert these US dollars into Kenya shillings. So we are going to use the buying column. Now, according to this information, $1 US is equivalent to 77.24 Kenya shillings, which is the buying column. So we are going to state that one US dollars is equal to 77.24 Kenya shillings. So is equals to Kenya shillings 77.24, like that. Now, what about 100,000 US dollars? What about 100,000 US dollars? Now, we cross multiply here. So it means that 100,000 US dollars is going to be, so 100,000 US dollars is equals to, when we cross multiply, we are going to have 100,000 US dollars multiplied by 77.24, then divided by 1. So what do you get? So what you get will be now in Kenya shillings. So you'll get Kenya shillings. In your calculator you have you get 7,724,000, and this is now what is equivalent to 100,000 US dollars. So it means 100,000 US dollars is equivalent to 7,724,000. Now let's go to part B of the question. The company exchanged the Kenya shillings calculated in A above into sterling pounds to buy a car from Britain. Calculate the cost of the car to the nearest sterling pound. Now, so we are told that the company exchanged these Kenya shillings into sterling pounds, and we say that when you are exchanging Kenya shillings into sterling pounds or Kenya shillings into foreign currency, you are going to use the selling column. Therefore, this was a solution for A, then again solution for B. Let Let's work out here. Now, so we are going to state that one sterling pound, one sterling pound is equivalent to 1 sterling pound is equivalent to 122.27 for the selling column, is equals to, this is Kenyan shillings, 122.27 Kenya shillings. What about 7 million, which is in Kenya shillings also? So we will use this side. So what about Kenya shillings? 7,724,000. So we cross multiply. Therefore, here this 7,724,000 will be equal to, we can say that we can argue that Kenya shillings 7,724,000 will be equal to, when we cross multiply, what do we get? So we are going to take 1. We're going to take 1 because of this 1 sterling pound multiplied by 7,724,000, then divided by this 122.27. So what do we get? So in your calculator again, what do we get? We get 63,172. We were told to the nearest sterling pound, so we rounded to the nearest whole number. Sterling pound. Now, so 63,172 is what is equivalent to 7,772,000. So this means that this was the cost of that car in sterling pounds in Britain. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.